How's it going, guys? We got some pit bikes here. They're from China. They're Trailmaster. So we got the TM23, and it's reason I got that one is it's got the electric start and kickstart backup, which is super nice. And from what I understand, all the Chinese pit bikes are similar manufacturers, and so most of them are about the same quality, and parts are pretty much interchangeable depending on the model. So this is how they were delivered. They're like some steel crates, some boxes around them, and then they also shipped them with, each box has one of these, so I'm not sure what these are yet. Maybe wheels or something, we're gonna find out, but let's get to unboxing these things. Sorry guys, this is really awkward trying to take the video on a trailer, but thanks for staying with me. Last but not least, owner's manual for off-road motorcycle, EPA. All right. So it's kind of unboxed here. So overall, I mean, first impressions, it's not that bad. I mean, under $1,000. Sure, the welds could be a little better, things like that. So this is interesting too. I noticed there's a key here. So probably off, on. Oh, okay, so maybe that's like electric, kick, and then off altogether. And that's a weird looking key. So key there right above the exhaust. You know that's gonna get hot. As you can tell, it's written backwards. Toe. Toe. No touchy. Anyway, let's get this thing put together and see how tall it is. Just in case you guys are wondering, these tires, Tough Gear. Junk AI is the brand. Made in China. Wow. Junk AI. So the rears are going to be 12-inch, and then I think the front is a 14-inch. So looking at the exhaust, it's definitely restrictive. They have some sort of plate in there, but it almost looks like you can just unbolt this and this cap will pop off, and then this actually has at least one bolt in there I can see holding it on if it's not riveted, and you could pop that out. Alright, we started unpackaging the second bike. We got the first one just about together. Almost everything's buttoned up. I just took the battery out of underneath the seat, put that on the charger, and then I'll have to check the oil and stuff, throw some gas in there tomorrow, put on the shift lever, and that one should be ready to go. So we're gonna get this one going, put it together. See you guys soon. Get the seat off here. You take off this 13mm nut with the washer, and then this just pops up, and you kind of wiggle it, shimmy it back. That hook just sits on the front, and there's our battery. So looks like it just has a little rubber strap on it. Undo that, and look at that, the cutest little battery ever. Let's get this thing on the charger, and soon we'll be in business. So I got this one almost ready to go. I was gonna go see if it would kick over, and this was completely locked. And I was thinking, oh no, what happened? So anyway, I pulled the plug out, kicked it over. Look how much oil just squirted out. So I'm not sure what happened, but somehow there was oil in the cylinder and it was basically hydro-locked. So check that, and hopefully we'll be good after that. I'm gonna throw this battery in and we'll see if she fires. This tiny battery is hilarious. That slides into there. Negative and positive. Battery's hooked up. Go ahead and flip the key on. Moment of truth. Oh, hell yeah. All right, she cranked over. That's good. Let's get some gas in this thing, double check the oil, and see if she'll fire up. All right, I gotta say, once these are all put together, they look freaking sweet. They really do. Kind of like a little KTM. Pretty excited to get these things fired up and rip them around. It's gonna be awesome. All right, turn the fuel on here. That's full. I don't know if there's a choke. Let's see. That's probably choke. We'll go ahead and choke it. Let's see. Okay, we'll come on to this side. Here's your key. Electric. Start button. Whoa, look at that. A little bit of smoke from all that extra oil, that's for sure. Hey, it's running. Hell yeah. Dang it. I'm sure it'll stop smoking after a little bit, at least I hope so. It should. Let's try this guy. Key on. Oh, there we go. So I wonder if these are choked or not. So that one's up. We'll try it like that. Oh, there we go. That's choke off for sure. Okay. Let's go choke off. Hell yeah. Look at these. Man, I'm excited. A little cold. It is pretty cold out here, so. Oh man, these are gonna be fun. All right, I'll update you guys after Christmas morning, and we'll see how the wife reacts. I got them both idling. I'm gonna let them idle for probably 5 minutes real fast to make sure they warm up. It looks like the smoke's clearing up, so that's great. We'll probably end up taking those extra keys out so that they don't get too hot from the exhaust here. But that's a wrap. Not too bad. A few hours just to throw the bars, and then your fender, front forks, front tire on. Other than that, you just got foot pegs to assemble, charge the battery, plug that in and tighten it up, and the shifter. Hell yeah. All right, we got the pit bikes out. We're gonna go take them on their first ride. Should be pretty fun.
Oh no, look, my handlebars, they got the black stuff on it in the gloves.
That's okay. Come on, Mats. Well, do you want to ride up that way and back?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh shit. It's pretty fun. Let me help.
I'm stuck.
Shit. Shit.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sinking.
It's so deep.
All right, get out. I got it from here. Dude, this thing's sick. Freaking Amazon dirt bikes are legit. Damn, son. They're pretty fun. Oh, yeah. This thing's got a lot of power, really. It hauled my butt up there just fine. It works fine. I'm gonna try in second real fast.
Well, there's those guys.
Damn. Alright, let's go in second. That was good. Good job. Good job. You did good. Oh man, this is so much fun. Well, bikes are pretty good. Seat's uncomfortable, everything else is easy to deal with, and they run pretty good, ride smooth.